YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you guys are new here, make sure you smash that like button, you hit that subscribe button, and make sure that you follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. That's where you get a lot of content first, is on my Instagram. But really make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, especially today is May 5th, meaning that we are 10 days away. We're only 10 days away from a giveaway, but we'll only have that giveaway once again if we hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. We're at 455 right now. We're 45 subscribers away. Trying to get out as much content as you guys so you guys can see my face, but make sure you hit that like button. It helps the algorithm so other people can see it. Hit that subscribe button so we can get the 500 subscribers by May 15th so we can have that giveaway. Now, let's get into this video. So, I'm not even sure what I'm going to title this video, but by now, you've already seen the title and you've seen the thumbnail, so you know pretty much what I'm going to talk about. And that basically is, over the last 3 days, not counting today, but the last 3 days, so Monday to Saturday, I went on a little bit of a sneaker shopping spree. So obviously on Saturday, we had the Fire Red 5s that came out, and if you guys were around, I wasn't able to get those on Sneakers app, but I did have a friend who was able to get them for me for retail on the Champs Sneakers app, from the Champs website. So I will have those whenever they get here. Have no idea when things are getting here because of the virus right now, but hopefully I get those at some point this week, hopefully some point in the next couple days. And then also yesterday, so I actually bought 2 sneakers yesterday that I wasn't even planning on buying at all. Was it yesterday or was it Sunday? Can't even remember. I'm pretty sure it was yesterday, but shout out to Soul Links, everybody. Every sneakerhead should go follow Soul Links. That's where you get the best deals on sneakers. They show you where all the deals are. But there's a sneaker that, actually 2, but to start with the first one, there's a sneaker that I wanted for a while, but the stock on them was shut down, I guess you could say, so there wasn't a way to get them. And Soul Links posted that they were back up, so I went in there and was able to do it, and that is the Air Force One Nike by You. It's actually Nike. It's weird. Nike by You is so weird. I'm so used to calling it Nike ID, but Nike ID, Nike by You, same thing. But it's the Air Force One low with the snakeskin options, which is really dope. So that is available right now for Nike members, Nike Plus members, which I am, which most of us are if you have the sneakers app. So I was able to go in, customize a shoe. There's one thing that I'm a little interested to see how it comes out when I get the shoe, but we'll talk about that when it gets here. But I was able to Nike ID a shoe, Air Force One low snakeskin, so that will be here probably in a month. Obviously it's a Nike ID, Nike by You, whatever, and they take their time getting here because Nike has to tailor their whole factory to make just your sneaker for that time, so it does take longer to get there. But the good news is I was able to get it for 20% off, so instead of paying $130 plus tax, I paid $117 after tax. I don't know what it was before tax, because I had the student discount. So that's dope. I was able to pay less than what it was worth, which is always a great thing. And speaking of paying less than what something is worth, I was able to get, so I have a hit list of sneakers that I want to get, but I just want to wait until the price is at the right spot for me to get. And one of those sneakers hit that price yesterday. So I picked it up yesterday, and that was the Jordan 3 Red Cement. One of the weirdest drops of the year. The Jordan 3 Red Cement. There was a lot of hype behind it. Everyone wanted it. And then they came out with the Chicago exclusive for All-Star Weekend, and then everyone just kind of fell asleep on the regular one with the Nike Air, which I think is still dope. The only problem with it is, though, for $200, I wasn't going to buy it, especially because of when it came out and how everything was looking. But it's a shoe that I always wanted, and after seeing that it sat, so the reason why I passed on it wasn't because I thought it would sit. I actually thought it would sell out. I just passed on it because I passed on it. There was the Black Cat 4s came out at around the same time, and I just got those. So money-wise, I didn't want to buy 2 shoes then. But after I saw that they were sitting, I was like, okay, it looks like they're going to sit for a while. I'll get them when I could get them on sale for less than retail. So my goal price in my head was about $150. So, Finish Line has been having a spring 30% off sale, and at first, when they first did the spring 30% off sale, when I first saw it, I tried to apply that coupon code to the Red Cement 3s, and it didn't work. But once again, shout out to Soul Link. I guess they added it to their spring 30 list, and I was able to go back in there yesterday, add the 30% off to that, which took, what did it take off, like $50, something like that? Close to $50, whatever it was. And then I also had a $20 gift card. So long story short, I was able to get that sneaker for $134 after tax. I was able to get, so the way the tax works here, a $200 sneaker cost me $212.30. Anytime a sneaker is $200 flat, we have a 6.3% tax here about. So I was able to get them for $134 after tax. That's more than $70 off of what I usually would have paid. Way too good of an opportunity to pass up. I think Spring 30 ends today. I think it ends today, May 5th. It might be over already. I don't know if it ended last night at midnight or tonight at midnight, but go check it out. And obviously, like I said, I had my $20 gift card there, so I was able to use that as well. Get those for $134. So those will be here soon. Really excited to get those in hand. Definitely going to be pretty high up in my top 10 when I do get them in hand. Really excited to have it. And then I already touched on the Fire F5s and my custom Air Force One Snakeskin. So that is it for this video, man. I just wanted to go over my little recent sneaker shopping spree, I guess you could call it. The next sneaker on my, I guess, delayed W hit list. Now, for me, a delayed W is a sneaker that comes out and you don't get it, but it sits, and then you're able to get it for below retail. To me, that's a delayed W. A delayed W isn't a sneaker that comes out, you don't get it, and then you pay $100 more for it retail. That's still an L to me, like, and not even necessarily an L, but I wouldn't call that a delayed W unless it's like a really, really old sneaker that you found for a good resale price. I wouldn't call that a delayed W because you lost. You had to pay more money for a sneaker that everyone else paid X amount of dollars for. But that's just me. That's another topic for another video. But my next delayed W target is the Jordan 4 Neon, which is really dope. And I know that they have the 35. I think it's eligible for the Spring 30. So if that's still going, go check it out. And I looked it on there, and it was, after tax for me, it would have been $168-ish. So my goal for those, because I know those are going to sit and they're going to go on sale. My goal to get them is $150, so it wasn't low enough for me to grab. But it is what it is. So when they are $150, which I think they will be soon, definitely going to get a pair of those. Just not going to pay $225 for a sneaker that's sitting that much that I know I'll be able to get for less later. And then similar with the Hair 2.0, I think the Hair 2.0 is a disgusting shoe. I really do. I'll probably never wear it, but I think it's a cool shoe to have, just to have in the collection. So like when I have people over a lot and people see my sneakers a lot. So I think it's just a cool, I guess, conversation piece. Like, yeah, look, I have these Hair 2.0, Bugs Bunny, or I guess Lola Rabbit, or whatever her name is. But Bugs Bunny Hair 2.0. So I think it would be a cool shoe to have. I do know that those were on sale recently. I think you could get them for around $170. Or no, last time I checked, for me it was $190. I think there's another coupon, so you can find those lower. But once again, that's another sneaker, $250 retail. I'm looking to get a whole $100 off. I'm looking to get those for $150 as well. So that's also on my target. I think I'll do another video about that hit list later. But that is it for this video, y'all. I'm rambling a little bit. Please make sure to smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms. Hit that subscribe button. You know what I mean? Got to get the 500 subscribers by May 15th to have the giveaway. Make sure you get the 500 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? If you have more than one account, subscribe on both accounts. You know what I'm saying? Tell your friends to subscribe on your account. Tell your sister, tell your mom, tell your brother, tell whoever. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. We are 45 subscribers away from the goal of 500 by May 15th. We are 10 days away. We can do it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of the information there first. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.